Recent research has highlighted the presence of anti-vaccination campaigners and right-wing conspiracy theories in many countries, including Tonga, Samoa, Fiji, Papua New Guinea, and New Zealand, where many Tongans have made a second home. Ganiva News has shown in recent reports that the Tongan diaspora community in New Zealand is vulnerable to anti-vaccination conspiracy theories. Why has this happened? When something unimaginably awful happens, people want to know why. Sometimes people seem unwilling to accept that sometimes terrible things just happen, and so they make up their own stories or find elaborate reasons to explain some random but tragic event. A child dies. A volcano explodes. A deadly virus sweeps the world. Anti-vaccination conspiracies are one example. Research by the New Zealand Ministry of Health and others suggests they have become popular because of education, mistrust of government sources, uncertainty, and cultural isolation. Anti-vaccination theories take many forms. One is that the COVID-19 virus is in fact part of an enormous conspiracy to take over the world by a group of conspirators who want to kill a vast number of people and then establish a new world order. Others say Microsoft founder Bill Gates and his former wife Melinda are secretly funding the development on vaccines that actually kill people. Many versions of these stories say the government or many governments are behind this. The other is that this is a sign of the end of times and that vaccination is part of a satanic conspiracy. But none of these theories add up. One reason, of course, is that for all these theories to work, millions and millions of people who would have to be involved and all of it would somehow have to be covered up. For another, every democracy and emerging democracy has checks and balances that monitor what governments do. The media are there to challenge the actions of the rich and powerful and call them to account.